Okay. All right. Whew, it's hot. Oh my gosh. I need some water. So I'm charging and yeah, it'd be nice to live in Canada. Yeah, I just like it. Just a place where there's no plotting, no war, no conflict. Jack is Jack. He's a French singer, kind of like Country Jack. Wow, what are those? Are those flat cars? Carrying telegraph poles. Kind of like what you see in Towns and Friends. What are those? Are those wood boards? Yeah, those are plywood, I think. I know, you know, freight cars come in different shapes as well. Wow. That last train I saw was incredibly, insanely long. Extraordinarily long. That's crazy, you know. I think I'll get a nice work permit in Canada one of these days. Canada's, I think it fits the better title for Land of Freedom of the Brave. Okay, never mind. I just want to enjoy the video. Whew, I'm getting hot. Cool off in here. There we go. Let's see, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I got a blue Lincoln car, I got a red one. They carry a lot of fence post materials. There's CPU. Plywood. That's cool. I'll keep plugged in like until it reaches like 50 or so. Look at all that.